These are the Polywood modern Adirondack chairs in Pacific Blue. We went with a modern version because the seat height is a little bit higher than the other ones. And you can see it's right next to this fire pit right here. Just does a really nice job. We're very happy with the seat height. They're very comfortable. You don't have to like slouch deep down and get in and out of the chair. It's got a really nice height. Polywood is a really great brand. We went with this one because their durability, they're very heavy duty, and they just withstand a lot of weather. You can see they're made out of some really great material. And this Pacific Blue color just looks really great. Just makes it very bright and vibrant. We were thinking about the navy blue color, but the Pacific Blue just goes with, just makes the color really look great. It's very bright and just does a nice job in this fire pit area. But anyways, we picked these up. They ship in flat boxes, so you do have to assemble them. Assembly probably took about 15 to 20 minutes per chair, so we got 6 of them, so we had these up and running really quick. They give you all the hardware and everything to build them, but they're very heavy duty. If there's any wind or anything like that, it's no issues. They do not move anywhere. You can see they have the slots in them, but now we went with a modern version because we like the higher depth. I believe the seat height is like 17.5 inches, where the other ones were a little bit lower. But if you're looking for some heavy duty chairs like this, absolutely go with the Polywood ones.